Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the assert almost equal from Unittest for test case. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. So let's think about a scenario where you're going to need to have a situation where it's going to be almost equal or very, very close. So let's think about the area of a circle. So we're dealing with pi, we're dealing with squaring. So let's just go ahead and get a function over here. We get r and docstring return area. All right, one more. So we have that. We need to get over here, boom, then test underscore area self, just like always, then self dot assert, and just like true and equal, this would be capital almost equal. So, and this is standard form, my class, and then which one are we looking at? We're looking at area. Now, dot area, oops. Okay, then I pass in, that's not right. Then I pass in, what do we want to test? Now let's test in 0.2. Then we really need to, let's look over here. What does this do? So help dot unit test case, then assert almost equal. What does this do? Because this does some pretty interesting things, and we're going to have a lot of control over them. Aha. Fail if two objects are unequal as determined by their difference rounded to the given number, decimal place. Okay, so we can have control over the placement. So that is going to be extremely handy. So how about we check and we use the argument, the default argument, places. Okay, let's keep that in mind. So places 0.1 here. Let's see what we need over here. So what would be the area of 0.2? So 3.14 times 0.2 squared. 0.1256. So we need to get that. 0.1256. Let's see if we ran this correctly. All right. We did not, because we didn't actually. This is, again, perfect example. So 3.14 times r squared. All right. Save. Run. Okay. So we have our three dots, our three tests. Now let's see if we get down to here. Where will we? Okay, so we are having a fail. The difference is 0.0043999999. These are not equal to each other. So here's an example of how we would handle this. Then we would do places and what I say, 2 equals 2. So now let's check this. There we go. So I have my threshold. So when I'm doing my almost equal, I can control what the variance will be by how I'm going to round. So if I were to then come down here and copy this and change this to 1 and should be 3.14, and then I remove my places, run, and I have no issues, still passing. So, okay. So just to give you guys an update, this is going to be the last unit test video because they are, I think they're pretty self-explanatory now, and the viewership of this is not really going well. So tomorrow's video, I'll be announcing which series we're going to be moving forward with and going from there. But if you do have any real big concerns, make sure you're jumping down below over to the Discord server, and we'll be more than happy to answer those questions over there. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and giving this video a thumbs up. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.